Let me show the testing of EB1200 shortwave power amplifier with the MRFX1K80 transistor inside and heat pipe cooling system. It has a touchscreen LCD, so LPF bands can be selected manually, but better to use it in automotive with the automatic band decoder. The drain voltage is supplied by flat pack 2, 53 volts. This is a couple of dummy loads, 50 ohm and 25 ohm. The reference power meter is a Bird 43 with element for 2500 watts on shortwave bands, 2.5 kilowatt full scale. The driver is ISO transceiver. The internal power meter is calibrated according to Bird on 20 meters. Let me show. 1000 watts. Same as here. The driving power is good up to 60 watts. So I will show the output with this input power level starting from 160 meters. 80. Then some CW manipulation. This is B, how it looks like. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 1, 2, 3. Okay, now I will return back to packet modem. In the central frequency of shortwave band in 20 meters, and then I will replace the 50 ohms dummy load by 25 to represent LWR on output as high as 2 to 1. If I try to transmit, highest WR protection will be enabled. To reset it, I have to switch off the 50 volts power supply and wait a little bit. If I decrease the driving power for 30 watts, amplifier will operate with the highest WR at lower power level and output. But if I go up with the driving power, protection will be enabled. well, switch off the 50 volts and replace the 25 ohms dummy by 50 ohms. Well, if I occasionally overdrive it on output, say 70 or maybe 75 watts, high current and high power protection will be enabled. So I have to reduce it to 60, maybe 65 watts. Reset protection. And show that everything is okay with a normal power on input.